Hello everybody, just sitting here with my Versys-X 300, and today is the first video of what will be many of installing the accessories that are slowly dribbling in from China for my beautiful little bike here. So here's the first package that has arrived, and it is the footrest replacement to make this into a more of a platform type of a footrest. The stock ones are quite good. I mean, they're nice and rubbery, but for me they feel a little bit thin, so I'm going to try these. They weren't very expensive. It's a direct replacement, hopefully, for this pedal here. I feel the installation is going to be pretty easy, but you never know, because sometimes there are issues that pop up now and again, and we'll see how I go with this one. So the stock footrest seems quite nice, like it's got a nice rubbery soft feel to it. But I think when I'm standing up on the bike, I've tried it a couple of times, I feel it should be wider, just a little bit more supportive. So I'm going to give these a go, and then we'll see how we go from there. Build quality seems really quite high actually. Can't see many machine marks. Nice and smooth. Bit of a silver accent inside there. All right, let's do it. So it just uses an Allen key at the bottom from what I can see. So let's just undo those. Just up here like that, and another one there, so I'll just keep them like that for now. Okay, the tops just come off like that. That's a one piece. It actually has a bit of cushioning inside it, like it's nice and soft. So the stock ones are nice and soft. Should theoretically just replace. Oh yeah, look at that. It just kind of sits nicely just on there like that. It's kind of like made to fit there. Right. Comes with its own bolts. So that's. You can see that the actual footrest is flat, and then underneath it leaves this little gap. So I don't know if it's a design thing, but surely that could have been designed a little bit different to fill in that gap. So look, it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, I have a feeling that this is not a very good quality bolt. It seems a little bit soft, but we'll see. Seems quite sturdy. The holes lined up perfectly. Installation was a bit of a breeze. So like I said, we've got a few things coming for this bike, and I'm going to obviously try this and see what it's like. So I've been on a few rides now on the road with this bike, so I'm slowly getting the courage to take it off road now. So step one, this will probably help for that, and yeah, we'll just see how things progress. So if you're thinking of buying a Versys, or you have a Versys and you're looking at doing some upgrades, then please subscribe. I've got a lot of videos coming, and hopefully I'll see you at the next video.